I'm diving into Big Cartel, a great platform for building your own online store, and showing you how you can create a dropshipping store using this tool. Whether you're starting small or planning to expand, this tutorial will guide you through it all step by step. Let's get started. Big Cartel is a simple yet incredibly powerful e-commerce platform that caters especially well to creative entrepreneurs, artists, and anyone looking to sell niche products. Its minimalist design and intuitive interface make it a great option for individuals who want to focus on their craft without being bogged down by complicated store management tools. But here's the kicker, it's not just for selling handmade goods or prints. Big Cartel is also a fantastic platform for running dropshipping operations. For example, let's say you want to sell custom t-shirts. Using Big Cartel, you can design your storefront, upload product images, and integrate with a dropshipping service like Printful or Printify. These integrations allow you to automatically send orders to the supplier, who then handles production and shipping for you. This means you don't need to worry about keeping inventory or managing logistics. It's all automated. Beyond that, Big Cartel offers a variety of features that simplify store management. You can customize your site, track your orders, and manage discounts or promotions, all from a clean, user-friendly dashboard. Whether you're a first-time seller or a seasoned business owner, Big Cartel's straightforward setup and flexibility make it a great choice for expanding your business or starting your dropshipping journey. Big Cartel stands out from other e-commerce platforms because it's a fantastic choice for small businesses, artists, and entrepreneurs looking for a simple way to sell online. Here's why it's a great option. The free plan lets you start selling up to 5 products without any upfront costs or credit card details. It's perfect for testing out your business idea without any commitments. For just $15 per month, you can list up to 50 products, and if you need to scale up, $30 per month allows you to manage up to 500 items. It's an affordable option as your business grows. Big Cartel offers a variety of customizable themes, all modern and clean. You can easily adjust colors, fonts, and layouts to make your store reflect your brand without needing to know how to code. It's especially ideal for niche stores. Whether you're selling unique handmade jewelry, trendy products, or a curated collection, Big Cartel's simple tools make it easy to create a store focused on a specific product line. If you're looking to sell niche or small batch goods, Big Cartel provides an easy, affordable, and user-friendly way to get started. Start by going to bigcartel.com. Click on Open Your Store or Sign Up to begin. Decide between the free plan, which lets you sell up to 5 products with basic features, or one of the premium plans, starting at $15 per month, if you need more advanced tools and product listings. Enter your email address, create a password, and choose a store name. Pick a store name that reflects your niche. For instance, if you're selling eco-friendly items, try something like Green Goods Co. or Eco Essentials. After signing up, Big Cartel will send you a verification email. Click the link in the email to confirm your account. Once verified, you can start customizing your store. You'll be taken to your dashboard, where you can set up your products, payment methods, and design. A strong store name and polished setup can help build trust with your customers, so take your time during this stage. For example, add a logo and cohesive branding elements to make your store stand out. After logging into your Big Cartel account, you'll land on the dashboard, a user-friendly hub that makes managing your store a breeze. Here's what you'll find and how you can use each section effectively. Products. This is where the magic starts. Add new products, edit existing listings, or import products in bulk if you're migrating from another platform. For example, if you're selling custom tote bags, upload clear images, write compelling descriptions, and set the price. Don't forget to manage stock levels to avoid overselling. Orders. Track and manage customer orders. View order details, update shipping statuses, or mark orders as fulfilled. Example: use this section to print packing slips or send shipping updates for your trendy handmade candles. Discounts. Create enticing promotions to boost sales. Offer discounts like 10% off for first-time buyers or free shipping on orders over $50. Settings. Set up essential store operations like payment methods like PayPal, Stripe, taxes, and shipping rates. Example: if you're shipping internationally, configure rates for different regions, ensuring smooth checkout for global customers. Pro tip: familiarize yourself with the dashboard early on. The more comfortable you are navigating it, the more efficiently you can manage your store. Adding products manually on Big Cartel is simple and allows you to showcase your items in a professional way. Here's how to do it. First, go to the Products tab on your Big Cartel dashboard. This will take you to your inventory management section. Next, click the Add a Product button to open the form where you'll input your product details. Fill out the product name, description, and price. Be sure to write a detailed and engaging description that highlights your product's features and benefits. For example, you could say, "Change your mornings with our ceramic coffee mug. Perfectly designed for coffee or tea lovers, it's durable, stylish, and available in 2 sleek finishes." After that, upload high-quality images of your product. Include clear photos from multiple angles to make your product look its best and build trust with your customers. If your product has different options, like colors or sizes, add these as variations. For instance, if you're selling a coffee mug, you might offer it in matte black and glossy white. Lastly, don't forget to input your shipping and tax details. This includes things like the product's weight and any applicable taxes to ensure customers have all the information they need up front. Highlight the unique qualities of your product in the description. For instance, if you're selling a ceramic mug, mention features like microwave safe or designed to keep drinks warm longer. By following these steps, you'll create listings that not only inform customers but also entice them to make a purchase. A well-crafted product page makes all the difference. With Big Cartel, you can easily start a dropshipping business by sourcing products from platforms like AliExpress, Spocket, or print-on-demand services like Printful and Printify. It's a fantastic way to run a store without needing to manage inventory or deal with shipping logistics. To get started with dropshipping on Big Cartel, head over to platforms like AliExpress or Spocket and search for products that match your niche. For example, if you have a fitness store, you might find yoga mats or resistance bands to sell. Once you've found a product you like, grab its details, name, images, and description from the supplier's site. You'll want to customize the description to fit your brand's voice. For example, you could say, "Level up your workouts with our premium yoga mat. Extra thick, non-slip, and designed for ultimate comfort. Perfect for yogis of all levels." Next, set your pricing. You'll need to mark up the product price to make a profit. For instance, if a yoga mat costs $10 on AliExpress, you could list it for $25 to $30 in your Big Cartel store. When a customer places an order, you'll need to manually go to the supplier's site, buy the product, and enter your customer's shipping details. The supplier will then ship the item directly to your customer. To track your profit margins, subtract the supplier's cost and any shipping fees from your selling price. For example, if the yoga mat sells for $30 and costs you $10, your profit per sale would be $20, excluding any fees. Build trust with customers by adding a note in your product descriptions about extended shipping times if your supplier takes longer to deliver. For instance, please allow 10 to 15 business days for delivery due to high demand. Dropshipping with Big Cartel makes it easy to create a lean, low-risk business model that doesn't require upfront inventory costs. With careful product selection and attention to detail, you can create a seamless shopping experience that keeps customers coming back. Your store's design plays a key role in attracting customers and building trust. With Big Cartel, you can easily customize the look of your site to match your brand identity. After logging into your dashboard, click on the design. From here, you can customize your store's layout and look. Big Cartel offers various themes that you can choose from, with the Luna theme being the default. Browse through the options and pick one that suits your style. Upload your store's logo to make your brand instantly recognizable. Pick colors and fonts that reflect your branding. If you sell trendy accessories, vibrant colors might work well. If you sell premium skincare, softer, neutral tones could be a good fit. Write a welcoming headline. This gives customers a quick idea of what you're offering. Avoid relying on generic stock photos that scream dropshipping. Instead, either use high-quality product images of your own or edit stock images to add a personal touch. Consider creating lifestyle images to give a real-world context to your products. This makes your store feel more authentic and professional, which builds customer trust and improves sales. Big Cartel supports popular payment options like PayPal and Stripe, which make it easy for your customers to purchase from your store. To set this up, head over to your account settings and click on Payment Options. From there, you can connect both PayPal and Stripe, allowing you to accept payments via credit card or PayPal account. Both PayPal and Stripe are well-known, secure, and easy-to-use platforms. They give your customers multiple ways to pay, whether with credit cards or through PayPal. What's even better is that payments are processed quickly, meaning you get your earnings almost instantly, which is particularly helpful when you're running a dropshipping business and need to pay suppliers right away. To set up shipping rates, navigate to Settings and click on Shipping Profiles. This section allows you to determine the rates based on the regions or countries you're targeting. If you're using AliExpress for dropshipping, consider offering free shipping. Many suppliers already offer this option, so you can factor it into your pricing structure and offer a seamless experience for your customers. Offering free shipping is a great way to increase conversions, especially if your competitors don't provide it. Dropshipping can be really competitive, but there are ways to make your store stand out and build customer loyalty. Start by targeting a specific niche instead of offering a broad range of products. For example, you could sell sustainable home goods like reusable kitchen wraps and biodegradable cleaning products, or focus on health and wellness gadgets like massage tools or smart water bottles. Another idea is personalized gifts, such as custom pet accessories or engraved jewelry. Building a strong brand identity is key. Your store should look unique, not like just another dropshipping site. Create a logo that reflects your store's personality and maintain a consistent color scheme and font across all your materials. Don't forget to make your product descriptions engaging and tailored to your audience. Offering exclusive discounts is another great way to attract customers. Big Cartel lets you create promotions like buy 2, get 1 free on select items, 10% off for email subscribers or new customers, or free shipping on orders over a certain amount. Social media is a powerful tool for marketing your products. Use platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest to post engaging content such as videos or photos of your products in action. For instance, if you're selling eco-friendly water bottles, you could share a video showing how they help reduce waste in daily life. Using popular hashtags related to your niche will also help you reach more people and drive traffic to your store. By following these strategies, you'll set your store apart, attract more customers, and keep them coming back for more. Once everything is set up, it's time to go live. Go to your Big Cartel dashboard, review your store's design and settings, and hit launch. Your dropshipping store is now live and ready to take orders.